Ama-Proteas akholwa ukuthi ukudlala iTest yokuqala ne-England eCenturion kuzoba yithuba elihle lokuthi bawaguqise amaNgisi eminyakeni engamashumi amabili bedlalela ekhaya. Ukapteni wama-Proteas uFaf Plessis uthi ulindele ukuthi baphume ngobuningi abantu bezobuka lomdlalo wakusasa nozodlalelwa eSuperSport Park.
Ukwenza ama-runs kulokho kuyinselele eqenjini lesizwe kanti ama-Proteas aphoxa kakhulu ngenkathi ebhekene ne-India ngomfumfu kulonyaka. Nangendebe yomhlaba eEngland uFaf Plessis kuyena yedwa washaya amabhola ayikhulu kulomqhudelwano ngenkathi bedlala neEngland. Yize kumqoka ukuhlasela sakubhula ama-Proteas ayazi ukuthi angenza kangcono mesebhekene namaNgisi.
Similar to us, they've got a batting lineup that is young with some experience. A lot of guys will come here for the first time, so there's an opportunity for our bowlers. So I've said that for us to be competitive in this series, we need to get runs on the board. If we can do that, then the bowlers can do their thing. But I'm sure that England will say the exact same thing. They would back their bowling attack on any conditions. For them, it's also just about getting runs on the board.
Ukudlala umdlalo weTest yokuqala eCenturion ungase kube into edingekayo eqenjini lesizwe.
Your big test matches, I think that's where you need to go, where the people really come out in full force and support. And obviously, it's this time of the season where people do go on holiday, but they still love cricket so much that you would get expecting a good crowd. And that's, for me, is what it's important. There's no point in playing your big day test matches when there's not enough crowds. You want to feel that atmosphere of it's proper test cricket. And that's what we as the players love.
Umdlalo wama-Proteas uzoqala kusasa ngehora leshumi ekuseni enkundleni yezemidlalo eSuperSport Park eCenturion.